Hi friends, and welcome back to another video. Today in this video we are going to look at the introduction to our Seaborn package in Python. What is Seaborn? Seaborn is a popular data visualization library which combines the appeal and technical insights in a data science project and helps us to generate and plot different graphs. So why we need Seaborn? The Seaborn package was developed based on our matplotlib, where matplotlib is used to create more attractive and informative statistical graphs, whereas in Seaborn it can also be used to develop the attractiveness of matplotlib graphics. And also we can create a lot more graphs with the help of our Seaborn than matplotlib. So installing Seaborn. To install Seaborn, we use the code pip install Seaborn in our command prompt. The alias for Seaborn we use is SNS, like how we used np for numpy, pd for pandas, and plt for the pyplot package in matplotlib. And here are some of the cool plots what we can create with the help of our Seaborn, such as bar plots, KD plots, violin plots, dist plots, joint plots, pair plots, and many more. We can also create heat maps and cluster maps with the help of our Seaborn package, which are really useful for us when we try to find the correlation between two variables. And yeah, that's all for today in this video, and this video was an introductory video on our Seaborn package. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.